Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. Please subscribe my channel, guys. Now let's start it into the video. First of all, take small size of onion and peel off it. Take the onion size accordingly your hair length and chop the onion into small pieces. Now we need juice from onions, so if you have a blender and blend it, I don't have a blender, so I grind this onions. Okay, now make a paste of onion. So now the onion paste is ready. Okay, take an empty bowl and any old cloth to cover the bowl into old cloth to extract the onion juice from it. Okay, now the juice is ready. Okay, this is onion juice. I mix this oil into onion juice. So what is this oil? I already uploaded a video, my hair care routine, so please check my other videos also, and please check icons and please see in the description bar below. Okay, now apply this oil into your hair. Okay, I am applying this oil with an cotton pad or cotton ball. Take a cotton ball and dip on it and apply on your hair. Okay, take a parts and apply it very gently and give a little massage. Okay, now divide it into two equal parts of your hair and apply this oil. Okay, and little massage. Okay, don't rub the hair. Okay, give it a smoothly massage like so. Okay, then divided sections of hair and apply smoothly of your hair oil and give it massage. Okay, now take all our hair into downside, okay, like so, and apply hair oil on down of your hair from the nape of your neck. Okay, it will absorb your hair oil in the roots. Okay, now apply hair oil with ends also. Okay, the hair oil applying completed. Now massage 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, now massaging also completed. Now gather your hair into like a ponytail and make a bun on it. Please like my videos, guys. Okay, now wait for 45 minutes and then wash off. So this is my hair care routine, guys. If you like this video, please give like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching this video, guys.